If you're looking for a way to make a very strong bleach that will take away every kind of strong stain from your white fabric, you are in the right place. Come, let me show you how to do that in my video. Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Clara and this is Clara's Corner. If you're new here, you are also welcome. Please do well to subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification bell to be notified if anytime I post a new video. Cause you would definitely love being here. In today's video, I want to show you how to make a hypo-like bleach. Very effective, a bleach that can take away every strong stain on your white fabric. Before you do that, before you start touching these chemicals, you have to protect your skin because these chemicals are so harsh, they are so corrosive, they are so strong, they are so irritating to the skin. So you do well to protect your skin before you touch them. So the ingredients I have here for this production are 4 ingredients. They are 4. I will be using them to make 5 liters of bleach. Number 1 is chlorine. Chlorine is a cleaning agent and also a bleaching agent. It is used to disinfect water and make surfaces clean. The next ingredient is soda ash. Soda ash can remove the toughest stain on any surface. Soda ash makes clothes whiter. Soda ash is a very strong cleaning agent. The next one is caustic soda. Caustic soda is also a cleaning agent and it cleanses dirt from every surface. So these ingredients are actually cleaning agents that are brought together to combine to make bleach. If you combine all of them together, they will make a super strong hypo bleach. The last one I have here is sodium sulfate. Sodium sulfate is also a cleaning agent. These 4 ingredients will go well when they are combined together. They will make a very effective bleach that can take out every dirt, that can take out any kind of dirt from any surface, especially on clothes, white clothes. But mind you, these ingredients are supposed to be used in the right proportion. They are supposed to be used in the right quantity so that it doesn't damage your clothes. When you use them in excess, they will clean the white clothes, the white fabric, but as well weaken the strength of the fabric. It can make the fabric tear off so easily. So when you're combining them, you also be careful on how you use them together. So the next thing we will be doing is to get a bowl and add in the water. The water I have in this bowl is 5 liters of water, and the next thing is to start adding the chemicals one after the other. The first one I just added is soda ash. I added soda ash into the 5 liters of water. Get a wooden stick to stir very well so that the soda ash can dissolve completely, and it has to be stirred for like 5 minutes. You stir it for like 5 minutes. Keep stirring continuously for like 5 minutes so that the soda ash can dissolve very well. When you do that, you get the next ingredient. which is the caustic soda. Add the caustic soda and repeat the same process as of the first one when you added the soda ash. After adding the caustic soda, you also stir the caustic soda into the mixture of soda ash. Stir for like 5 minutes for two of them to combine very well and dissolve. The third one to add is the sodium sulfate. Add the sodium sulfate and repeat the same process as in stirring them into the other mixture to dissolve. The last but not the least is to add the chlorine. Add the chlorine into the other three mixtures and also stir very well to mix completely. After mixing the 4 ingredients completely into the mixture, the next thing is to cover it up and keep for 4 days. This has to stay for 4 days in a cool place. But in these 4 days, you have to stir at 5 hours interval each 24 hours. Hey guys, welcome back to this production. This is day 1, the first 24 hours of keeping this mixture of chemicals into water. This is the day 1 of keeping it. See how it is looking. The chemicals settled on top of the water. The day 1, they will all settle on top of the water. Like I told you earlier on, you always mix. Each time you check it, you mix. Each time you check it, you mix. This is day 1. After 24 hours, you open it and also mix. Mix very well. Cover it up and keep for day 2. Here is day 2. See how the chemical is looking. The chemicals are also settled on top of the water in day 2. You mix properly. Cover it up for day 3. Here is day 3. In day 3, some chemicals will settle on top while some will go below the container. It will settle below the container while some will settle on top. But the major one that settles on top is just the chlorine, while the other 3 ingredients settle below the container. So you also mix in day 3, you also mix very well, cover it up to stay for day 4. Hey guys, this is the 4th day of keeping these chemicals into this water to turn into a bleach. Yeah, this is the 4th day. See how it has turned to some chemicals settled up while some settled below. This is the 4 days of a kind of fermenting these chemicals to turn into a bleach. A strong bleach that can clean anything, a strong bleach that can clean any stain on your white fabric. I'm going to sieve out this bleach. That's the next process. After the 4 days, I'm going to sieve it out into another container so that I will separate the particles from the liquid bleach. So I'm using this bucket. I'm going to use a cotton material. This is a white cotton material, a kind of a handkerchief material. This is exactly what I'm using here, handkerchief. I'm going to use it to do the sieving. This type of material will allow the liquid to pass through into the other bucket and not allow the particles to enter into the bleach. That's why you have to use a cotton material, because it's going to allow the liquid bleach to pass through while not allowing the particles to enter into the bleach. You can see the ones that settled below and the ones that settled up. You sieve it off and get your bleach. Just continue watching and see how I finish the sieving process. This is the liquid bleach I sieved out. These are the particles. These particles can also be used to wash pots and any surface that is rusty. We can clean it off. So this is the liquid bleach I made. I'm going to transfer into the white bucket, cover it to settle for some time before I do the final sieving. Hey guys, this is the last stage of the sieving process. This is the last sieving I'll be doing. After this one, I'm going to bottle up this bleach. By the time I finish sieving it, you will see how clear the bleach has become. Everything has been properly sieved. This is the residue that is remaining from this last sieving. You can see the smaller portion in the white bucket that is remaining that I sieved out. You can see how clear the bleach has become. So clear. And this bleach is so active. This bleach can remove any stain, the toughest stain you ever see on a white fabric. This bleach is going to take it off and make that clothes very clean. These are my containers. I'm going to use these containers to bottle up this bleach and keep for my home usage. Because of high cost of living in most of the countries these days, everybody is trying to cut costs in their homes. These home products are something you can do for yourself. Try to indulge in DIYs. These things are easy to make. You cut the cost in your home by doing these things for yourself. You don't need to buy everything. This bleach is very effective. It's also a good business idea. You can make it at the comfort of your home and package it so well and sell to supermarkets and stores. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not. Turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. Thank you so much, and God bless you.